Good morning, everyone. Today, I want to give you a brief tax update and instructions about reporting any theft losses related to Ponzi type investment scheme. There is a safe harbor election that you'll need to elect to take a loss against the Ponzi scheme investment losses. If the taxpayer is claiming a theft loss for fraudulent or Ponzi type investment scheme and qualifies to use and choose to use a safe harbor method in the Revenue Procedure 2009-20, which was also modified by the new Revenue Procedure 2011-58. You'll need to report that in the tax form 4684 in the section C. This optional safe harbor method is elected by the qualified taxpayer, and if it is elected, then IRS is not going to challenge the loss. In either case, the deduction will be deducted as an other itemized deduction on line 16 in Schedule A. There's a section called Section C in the Form 4684. This is a part where you can claim the loss by completing this section and deduct 95% of the loss if taxpayer does not pursue potential recovery, or 75% of the loss if taxpayer intends to pursue any potential recovery. And obviously, you'll need to reduce the loss by any recovery already made. Now, I wanted to talk briefly about this safe harbor elections, some details here. Back in 2009, after the Bernie Madoff incident, Revenue Procedure 2009-20 released a safe harbor election that people can elect to simplify some requirements for the victims of the Ponzi schemes. The guidance was issued in response to the Bernie Madoff scandal, and it can be applied to any similar fraudulent investment schemes. So meaning you've lost all of your hope and your money's gone and you don't think that you can recover the losses anymore. And so that is the year that you discovered the situation, and that's the year that you can claim the loss in your tax return. Now, for large Ponzi schemes and their victims, determining the timing and the amount of the loss can be difficult, and potentially it could take years to resolve. These safe harbor elections is eliminating the uncertainty, and it allows the victims to claim the theft loss on the year that the fraud was discovered. So if you know anyone who's been in similar type of Ponzi scheme losses, or if you are the victim of such losses, contact my office and we'll be here to help you out to make sure to take the safe harbor election properly and deduct the Ponzi scheme losses that you suffered.